Hi everyone, Dearly Crafted here. I am so excited. My husband pre-ordered this as a surprise for me. I love Animal Crossing. The last one I played was City Folk, and they came out with this special edition Animal Crossing console that can also be used as a handheld game, and it's a fun game for all ages. So what you get within the box, you do get your let's see here. You do get your HDMI. Of course, you get your instructions. I had opened this up and wanted to have everything laid out so you didn't have to worry about the packaging, recording the packaging. And then you have your AC power adapter. Okay, so those are details that we will be hooking up later, but I won't record that part. Like I said, I am so excited. Um, let's see here. So I've never owned a Switch. This is new. Like I said, it was a special edition put out for Animal Crossing, but you can play different games on it. So what you have here is you have your two Joy-Cons, and then you have your actual console right here, and the screen is on the front here, but I wasn't going to worry about showing you that because of the reflection, but they have some really cool details in this Switch main console area. You can see the reflections. These are little details of the town and different scenes in Animal Crossing. So it's really cute how they have the etchings in the back here. Just a little detail that is really kind of nice. And so once again, these are two Joy-Cons, really pretty island pastel colors. And so you can dock this, you can dock this in the system here, the console holder, and it charges, or you can slide these on and it turns into a handheld. Okay, and then as far as the release buttons are right here to remove when you're playing from your TV, and to have these controllers, these two controllers for each person. So let's see here. And then as far as something I learned that is really important about the Switch was that when you're setting up your Joy-Cons, make sure that you match up the plus to the plus, because there is a little bit of a trick to get these off if you put this on upside down. So please avoid doing that for your own sanity. I kind of played around with it before I started filming this, and I was like, I just, I just put it on wrong. So I had to do a little unlocking trick up here to get it off. There is a video that if you do put it on wrong, there is a video. I'll link it below in case you do that. But to get these on, what you have to do is unlock unlock this latch right here, and then slide it on. Once again, you want to make sure you got your plus. It's very light right here on this portion, and then match that up to the plus there, and that turns in your handheld controller for that. And then we'll do the same with this one too. And it does make it nice because they have it matched up with the wrist straps to the color of the Joy-Con. Okay, and then this is a um, control dock that you can slide that white piece off. You can slide in each controller, and once again, just let's see here. It looks like, yeah. Okay, so this one looks pretty straightforward because you're going to be just sliding it in from the top. It's not like with these where you can accidentally put it in upside down. So once again, make sure and unlock this, and that your wrist strap's at the bottom, and that you're sliding it on and matching up. There's a minus and a minus right there. Okay, and then you lock this little plastic tab back down, and when you go to take it off, so I'm going to go ahead and lock this one, and so when you go to take it off, you unlock, and then you push your button to get that off. All right, some of these details are important, people, just saying. And I'll lock it back in. So we have our two Joy-Cons. So as a single player, you can hook it into this, you can hook those into this dock and have the option of playing as a single player. So okay, so the main console, and then the HDMI cable and the AC power adapter. And I won't be hooking this up, like I said, on video, but just to show you where those hook up is, here's the AC adapter right here, the AC adapter, and the USB and the HDMI out. All right, and so what you'd be doing is you charge everything up. It just sets right in there. Okay, so let's talk about the actual handheld, the console, a little bit more. There's the power adapter plug. Let's see here. The USB power access basically is what it is. There's a little kickstand, so that if you want to play it like this with your Joy-Cons, you can just do that instead of using it as a handheld if you want. And then as far as, let's see here, I think this is a SD card slot. So the SD card slot, I believe, is used for if you want to take pictures with the game. Within the game, you can actually take pictures. I know on City Folk, that was kind of funny, you know, whenever our friends would come over to our town. So we take goofy pictures and not really do anything with them, but at the time it was just like, hey, fun. And so yeah, our friends, we used to, on the Wii, we used to have a few friends and family that, even though they lived in different states, they could come to our towns and you can go to their towns, and it was just all kinds of fun. Very, very fun. All right, I am way too excited about this. Okay, and this part right here is the game card slot. So once again, you can play different games, and so here's a game card slot, and then here's the headphone jack, and it looks like these are just vents right here. And then there's the volume button right here. Keep in mind I'm going from here. So here's the volume button, and then here's the actual power button right here. Okay. And so, yeah, I'm super excited. Just to let you know, the Animal Crossing is coming out March 20th, and I will be joining Matsta Gamer on his channel for the live launch of Animal Crossing New Horizons. Once again, that's what this game system is based around, is the release of that. And hope you guys can join us. I will put Matsta Gamer's channel link down below, and I will put that up in the iCard. Also, see here, he has a live countdown clock going on his channel that kind of showed different pictures from the New Horizons game, and hope you guys can join us. Once again, it's going to be a live game launch, live gameplay on his channel, and hope to see you there. Hope everybody's having a great day, and take care. Bye.